After operating in Kamwokya ever since they came into existence, National Unity Platform today opened up their new base offices in Makerere, Kavule to the surprise of many. Lewis David Rubongoya, the Secretary General NUP, appreciated the political party president and defunct musician Kyagulanyi Ssentamu for his leadership that has brought them this far. He also revealed the establishment of a new NUP School of Leadership in Kamwokya, which will handle the ghetto youths through recording of liberation music, and the students will thereafter be awarded certificates. He also appreciated the Ugandans for their support and promised them the best service from their party.
For over 4 years, even under people power, and that place we have been using it free of charge. We have not been paying for the land in Kamwokya, which belongs to our president. But more to that, the president has allowed us to continue using that place for NUP, for people power, and we have decided that in Kamwokya, we are going to establish the National Unity Platform School of Leadership. So that is where we shall take our trainings so that comrade leaders can be educated in leadership and other aspects.
Honorable Betty Namboze, who is a member of parliament under the party, stated that as a party they will fight until the liberation is achieved, emphasizing their commitment to their mandate.
We shall fight until we liberate ourselves.
Honorable Sebagala Latif Sengendo was there and he talked positively about the party, saying they are not frightened of anything, even with the continued harassment of the police. Also, he urged people to be strong as what he termed as the process continues.
Now we are seeing some security police officers and men in uniform, but we are not scared because yesterday they scared us, but today we are very firm, we are here. I will request all those who are there supporting NUP that they must be strengthened. I know they are being scared, I know there are so many things that are scaring them, but please be firm, know that we are in politics, not to sell ice cream.
Dr. Kizza Besigye in his speech highlighted the mission of the people of Uganda as they have the responsibility to raise their faith in God, noting that justice is on its way. He also encouraged them to be guided by actions and not by words. The president of NUP, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, also known as Bobby Wine, started his speech by quoting something for those who don't care about the politics of their country, saying only fools can do that. He also thanked the Lord for the far he has brought them and also assured the public that they are here to stay.
The quote of the day today, for me, the quote of the day, and my brother Norbert, I want you to print this on a t-shirt for me. The quote of the day for me is, if you don't care about the politics of your country, then you is a fool. No, but if you don't care about the politics of your country, you is a fool. Dash Dr. Kizza Besigye. At the beginning, many naysayers dismissed us as a mere wave. They said we would, cease to exist in a short while. But I responded to them at that time, and I still respond to them now, that we are here to stay because we are the National Unity Platform.
He went ahead and thanked Ugandans and the leadership of NUP, mayors and councillors for the confidence and struggle they have put in till this day. He added that it has been a journey of sacrifice and constant growth, and said the new headquarters will now be a monument for the freedom of this country.